Once, in a quiet village, lived a man who was deeply worried about his son. The boy was young, but careless. He had no sense of responsibility. Every day, he wandered through the village, talking to friends, wasting hours, and avoiding work. He believed that time would always wait for him. But his father knew that a life without discipline slowly falls apart. One morning, the father called his son and spoke calmly. "Son, there is a watch in the cupboard. Please bring it to me." The boy opened the cupboard, took the watch, and gave it to his father. Allah. The father looked at the watch and said, "Now go to the market. Show this watch to people and ask them how much it is worth." The boy went to the market. One man said, "It's worth 500 rupees. When the boy returned home, he said, "Father, no one agreed on the price. Everyone said something different." The father smiled gently and said, "That's fine. Put the watch back." The next day, the father again asked his son to bring the watch. Then he said something strange. "Go to the market again. This time, don't ask the price of the watch. Ask people the price of the time inside this watch." The boy was confused, but he obeyed. In the market, when he asked people this question, they stared at him. Some laughed, some mocked him. Others said, "What a foolish question." Feeling embarrassed, the boy was about to leave when he stopped at a small watch repair shop. An old man was carefully fixing a clock. When the boy asked him the same question, the old man stopped working and smiled kindly. He said softly, "Son, time has no price. You can have all the money in the world, but you cannot buy even 1 second of lost time. Time is the most expensive thing in life." He continued, "Time has one bad habit, keeps moving forward. But it also has one great gift. You can choose how to use it. Everyone gets 24 hours a day. Rich or poor, powerful or weak. The difference is how they spend those hours." The boy felt something awaken inside him. For the first time, he understood what he had been wasting every day. He thanked the old man and rushed home. When he told his father everything, the father smiled with pride. From that day onward, the boy changed. He began to work hard. He stopped wasting time. He learned that every moment is a chance to build a better future. Friends, time is free, but it is priceless. Once it passes, it never returns. Use it wisely before it uses you.